Homemade lawn deodorizer. A lawnette looks nice should smell nice as well, and it typically does, unless neighborhood pets treat the space as their personal litter box. While it may not be practical to keep animals away completely, especially if they are your own pets, a natural homemade deodorizer banishes those unpleasant odors without harming animals or the lawn. Rinsing the affected areas frequently with water also helps neutralize odors. Things you'll need: plastic bag or poop scoop, garden hose, horticultural lime or powdered gypsum. Step 1. Remove pet waste from the yard with a plastic bag or poop scoop, discarding the waste promptly. Eliminating odor sources as soon as possible cuts down on wafting odors throughout the yard, especially during warm and hot weather. Step 2. Rinse the affected areas thoroughly with water from a garden hose. While this can be done anytime, it's most effective when the odor is fresh. Texas A&M University Agricultural Extension suggests watering all wastes into the lawn within 8 hours, as this cuts down on lawn damage produced by copious amounts of nitrogen present in the animal's urine. Step 3. Sprinkle a small amount of agricultural lime or powdered gypsum over the affected areas, and wet the grass again. Both materials help neutralize the acidic effects of urine, as well as odor. Step 4. Water the areas frequented by pets on a daily basis to cut down on odors. Keeping the odors at bay with water is the best preventive maintenance.